Hey everybody, my name is RazorGoku2020 here, and today we're going to be reacting to Sora vs. Roxas, but with the Eddy sound effects. So, yeah, it's been a while since I haven't done any kind of videos to be put in my video. It's going to be my decision to make, though. So yeah, sorry about that, and yeah, I just wanted to tell you all that I'm gonna be doing a gameplay tomorrow, which is gonna be Fortnite. So yeah, stay tuned for that one. And without further ado, let's start the video, shall we? It's actually my favorite part, though. Here we go!
What are you, some kind of troll or something?
Oh my god.
I was born to be wild!
You were born to be a wild, Roxas?
Did you kiss your mother with that mouth?
What?
Ed boys? Couch potato Ed boys like yourself. Do not fool Rolf! Many doors, yes?
Oh, good lord. Wow. Whoa! Rolf, go get him! Nice landing, Ed. I mean, Eddy.
Everybody now!
Sora. Whoa! Wow. Whoa! Believe in yourself, Roxas. I mean, Sora. Sorry, missing that though. And got knocked out. Oh, Jesus.
Huh?
What happened? Wow, that was actually the best reaction video I ever done. That was the greatest. Alright everybody, that is the end of Sora vs. Roxas, but with the Eddy sound effects. I'll put the channel in the link in the description down below, so that way you guys will go check it out. It is created by Skywardwing, so go check out his channel as well. His channel will be in the link in the description down below as well. So, anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Also, if you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Also, be sure to hit the notification bell so that way you guys will never ever miss a video. Also, if you guys are not new, be sure to smash that like button. And as always, I'll see you guys in my next video. Goodbye, everybody, and stay awesome.